Hello everybody, welcome back. So let's just get on with the haul. That's why you're here. We give a nail polish haul, and it's kind of short and sweet, but it's all from Head to Toe Beauty, and I will link them down below. But they have China Glaze on there for like less than $4, so I always buy from there with China Glaze. I have two Orleys. These ones are not that cheap on there. They're about $8.50, but I have a website that I will link to that has some that are about $4.50, so less than half the price, but I will link that too. But you can also, I will also link Head to Toe Beauty. But so the first is I have Afterglow from China Glaze from Orly. It's just like a nice softer kind of neon pink. That's like a softer version, and this one's just like a pale pink. This one is called Cool in California, so that one is from Orly. Then I also have 10 different China Glaze nail polishes. So the first one I got is Don't Be Sea Salty. It's a really pretty darker neon pink with some little shimmers in there. I'm not sure if these will transfer on the nail at all, but that's what this one looks like. And then I also have here At Your Athleisure. So that's like a darker baby blue. It's not so much bright, but it's like a darker version of a baby blue color. And then I accidentally got two of the same polish, so I got Pretty Fit. It's like a more of a dusty kind of a lilac darker purple, and I really liked this apparently to get two of them. I did not know I got two of them, so that just came as a surprise. So the next one that I have is something that I probably wouldn't normally buy, but when I saw swatches of it I was really excited about it. This one is called Show 'em Who's Blossom, and it's more of like a sagey kind of a green color. I just didn't have anything like this, and I thought it was kind of unique, so I definitely picked this up because it would be interesting to my collection. And yeah, I haven't worn any of these yet, so I don't really have much to say about them, but as I wear them I will post them on Instagram. So the next one I got is because I've really been into like cobalt kind of a blues lately. I just thought they looked really cool. I've seen some stuff on Pinterest of nails. So I got this one, and this one is called Born to Rule. It's a really, really nice dark royal blue, but it's not too dark. It's almost kind of a brighter royal blue. So I just thought that was really, really cool, and I'm excited to wear this. I'm not sure if it stains or not. Like I said, I haven't worn any of these yet, so yes, that's that one. And then this one is probably not so much for this time of year, but I'm excited to have it. It's called Hot Blooded, and it's like a really dark, more of a, has a bit of a copper tone to it, but it's just something really interesting. And I had something like this in Sally Hansen that I just decluttered or got rid of, however you want to say it. And I really have something really nice to have something like this in China Glaze, because China Glaze is cruelty free and Sally Hansen is not. If you didn't already, I have some videos of 15 cruelty free nail polish brands. Go ahead, check that out. I will link it up at in the cards up here, and it will be really interesting. It was a really interesting video to film and to learn about all the brands, and there are vast majorities more of that, and I don't own half of them or even the majority of them, but yeah, it's a really good video to check out. The next one is called Tropic of Conversation, and I'm kind of surprised I don't already have this because I've been really into like the melony kind of corally tones, shall we say. But this one has a shimmer in it, and I don't have anything like this either, and I was really excited to get this when I got it in the mail, because like the swatches or the photos online are not like the same. Like they're not like so true to reality, I guess. So I think they're a good representation, but I don't think that you always have to kind of really get it in person. But this one is a really pretty one, and I can't wait to wear this one this summer. The next two are kind of very fall or like spring tones. So I'll talk about the purple one first, and it's called Berry Hopping, I'm not sure. It's called Bay B-A-R-R-E. Bar hopping. Burr hopping. And it's like a really perfect lilac purple. And I am so glad to get this because I've always loved this color. Like I used to love OPI's Do You Lilac It, and then this one's a brighter version of that one. It's more, leans more towards pink than the other one, like Do You Lilac It was kind of more gray. And I'm so excited to get this. I love bright purples like this, bright violet purples or bright lavender purples. And then this one I was really excited to get because I really like jelly nail polish like formulas, and that's what this one is. It's a really jelly kind of a pink in texture, and I was really excited to get this because I love jellies. I love the way that they look on the nails. They're really puffy, kind of more, they're really glossy as well. I just like the way that they look. They're just my favorite. So this one is called There She Rose Again. So this one is called There She Rose Again, and I am so excited. All of these right now, as I know that as of this moment, are on Head to Toe Beauty right now, and the China Glaze are like $3.50. So if you really want to get them, go ahead and check them out. The link will be down below, and yeah. So I love doing nail polish hauls. I love nail polish. I could do a collection like on all my China Glaze. I think I'm ready to do that because I have a whole nail polish rack full of just China Glaze, and that was my goal. And I guess that's kind of a silly goal, but it was really fun to do. So it's just like really satisfying to look at to see all the same brown on one nail polish rack, and it's China Glaze. China Glaze has beautiful tones. So if you guys did like this video, give it a thumbs up because I can do more. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any videos from me or such like this, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.